So guys, trade recap today. We talk about 380% profit. We trade new Cypher, Som, Highback, Opulus, Unbited, ADX. Guys, like I mentioned before, volume spike plus buyer power. Let's make this video simple, okay? New Cypher, guys. That's the second time we tried new Cypher. First time we trade new Cypher right here on January 15, and now we trade again. Same strategy, guys. Price go flat without volume spike plus buyer power. So I shared this trade the private list for 13, and you put a sell order right here. The daily resistance 22, 60% profit for the second time. The first time was 70% profit. Okay. Next trade recap is Som. It's pretty clear. Everybody knew Som is gonna pump. The price was going flat. I got a volume spike right here on 19. So I shared this trade in the private list on 22. Bought this coin for 58 cents. Put a sell order up here. The daily resistance $1.40. 135%. I made $13,000 500. This single trade, guys. Like I mentioned before, we don't focus on price. We focus on volume. Okay. So if the coin is running with high volume, that's why the software alert me. Okay. One more thing, guys. Let's talk about Bitcoin a little bit before I go to audio. Audio is the same thing. Volume spike right here on January 20. I shared this trade in the private list, and we bought this coin for 18 cents and put a sell order up here at 32, 31 cents. I made $6,000 in this trade. Okay, and Bitcoin, that's what I'm trying to say. Bitcoin right now, I see a clearly divergence on the 4-hour chart right here. Oops, clear divergence. Okay, and you see a divergence here. So higher highs, lower lows. This is bearish divergence. It's better to stay out of Bitcoin right now. Let's focus on altcoin pumps. Okay, 380% profit. If you'd like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list because together we are strong. More people buying coin at the same time, same coin, same time, a lot of volume, everybody makes money. Take a look at this volume here, $177 million, $37 million, 241,000, 3.1 million, 22 million, 6.9 million. That's how you make money, guys. You trade penny coins. Price go flat, volume spike, buyer power, the coin pumps. Tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Feel free to reach me out. New members, please don't share the private list. And that's all I got to say. Thank you.